आज के इस लेक्चर में एक क्वेश्चन है स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का। ये ज्योतिबा फुले महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले रोहिलखंड यूनिवर्सिटी बरेली में एमए एजुकेशन के पेपर में आया है, स्टैट्स में पूछा गया है। क्वेश्चन एक बच्चे ने पूछा था, अब मेरे उसमें चैट बॉक्स में डाला था तो मैंने इसको सॉल्व करके दिखा रहा हूँ। क्वेश्चन है, निम्नांकित व्यवस्थित प्रदत्तों से मानक विचलन स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का मान ज्ञात कीजिए। स्कोर्स हैं 45 to 49, 40 to 44, 35 to 39, 30 to 34, 25 to 29, 20 to 24, 15 to 19, 10 to 14, and corresponding frequencies are given 2, 8, 10, 12, 9, 5, 3, 1. This is the question. Now I am going to solve this question by three ways. The same question by three ways. First is to solve this question to get the value of standard deviation with long method. Second is, this is called long method. Second is with short method, and third is, again the method is known as short method, but the formula used is different. So I will discuss later on, and we will solve this problem by three ways. So first is through long method. In this long method I have prepared this table. First is score, second is frequency, third is midpoint of this score. Next column is f into x, frequency multiplied by this midpoint. Another column is x minus m. Here m is the mean and we will calculate mean. Small x is x minus m. Next column is frequency multiplied by this small x. Small x is called deviation. And then fx square. So first we will get, or we will prepare this midpoint column. So midpoint is obtained by adding this lower limit and upper limit. Here I have written here 45 plus 49 divided by 2. This gives us 94 by 2, which is equal to 47. So 47. Now for getting other midpoint, there is no need to do this repeated method again and again. We will simply subtracting minus 5 from the previous one. So 47 minus 5, 42, 42 minus 5, 37, 37 minus 5, 32, 32 minus 5, 27, 27 minus 5, 22, 22 minus 5, 17, 17 minus 5, 12. Because the class interval is of 5, so we can do this midpoint in this way. Now multiplying f by x, 2 into 47, 94, 8 into 42, 336, 10 into 37, 370, 12 into 32, 384, 9 into 27, 243, 5 into 22, 110, 3 into 17, 51, and 1 into 12 is 12 simply. Sum up all these frequencies, this gives us n is equal to 50. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 32, 32 plus 9 41, 41 plus 5 46, 46 plus 3 49, 49 plus 1 50. Next step, to calculate mean, and mean is to be obtained through the formula summation fx by n. So here sum up all these, 94 plus 336 plus 370 plus 384 plus 243 plus 110 plus 51 plus 12 gives us 1600. So formula for mean is summation fx by n, 1600 by 50, cancelling this 0, 160 by 5, this is equal to 32. Next step, this is deviation from the midpoint. So capital X minus 32. So 47 minus 32, 42 minus 32, 37 minus 32, 32 minus 32, 27 minus 32, 22 minus 32, 17 minus 32, 12 minus 32. This gives us 15, 10, 5, 32 minus 32 is 0, minus 5, 27 minus 32, so minus 5, minus 10, minus 15 and minus 20. Now x multiplied by this frequency f gives us 15 into 2, 30, 10 into 8, 80, 5 into 10, 50, 12 into 0, 0, 9 into minus 5, minus 45, 5 into 10, minus 50, 3 into minus 15, minus 45, 1 into minus 20, 20. Again multiplying this fx by x. So we can write it as fx into x. fx by x. So 15 into 30, 450, 10 into 80, 800, 5 into 50, 250, 0 into 0. But here minus into minus multiplied gives us plus. So 5 into 45, 225, 10 into 50, plus 500, 15 into 45, 675 with plus sign, 20 into 20, plus 400. So minus multiplied by minus gives us this plus value plus. Now again summation fx square. Summation fx square can be obtained through summing all these values. 450 plus 800 plus 250 plus 0 plus 225 plus 500 plus 675 plus 400. This gives us 3300. Now next step is SD. Next step is so to calculate this SD with the long method, the formula is summation fx square by n within square root under root. Here fx square is 3300 and n is 50. So using these two values in the above equation, we have SD is equal to under root 3300 upon 500, 50, cancelling this 10, this gives us 330 by 5, and finally dividing 330 by 5, 5 6 are 30 and 5 6 are 30, so under root 66. At the right side of this paper I have calculated this 66, find out the value of this under root 66. So 66, it is having two digits, so one pair, 8 8s are 64, writing here 8, here 8 and here 8. 8 plus 8 gives us 16 and 66 minus 64 gives us only 2. Putting decimal, whenever we put decimal we write 2 zeros here. So now this moves only one times, so 161 multiplied by 1 is here, gives us 161. Subtracting 161 from 200 gives us 39. The next step, 161 plus 1 gives us 162 and 200 minus 161 gives us 39. So writing 2 more zeros in this square root. After decimal we generally put 2 zeros because we move with the digit in pair mode, in pair form. So now this times it goes to 2 times, so 1622, 2 multiplied by 2, so gives us 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3, and here is 2. So 1622 plus 2 gives us 1624, and now subtracting 3244 from 3900 gives us 656, again repeating the same, and we have 8 point. Now this times it goes for 4, so multiplying this digit through 4, the value should not be more than this value. Okay, so the final value is obtained for SD standard deviation is 8.124. so this is the standard deviation. Now the next is through short method. How is the short method? In this short method again we will be getting the same answer 8124, but in the short method there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns are prepared. One is scores and another one is for frequency. Next is deviation. So in this case or in this method, at the highest frequency side or before the highest frequency side we put 0, and after putting, this is called assume mean, after putting 0, as we move up means as we move for the higher class interval, put +1, +2 and +3, and moving towards the lower class interval, putting -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is the way of deviation. The next step is fx or fd. In some books it is represented by small x, or in some books it is represented by small d. So I have used here fx or fd. So 6 into 3 plus 2 into 3 6, 8 into 2 16, 10 into 1 plus 10, 12 into 0 is 0, 9 into -1 -9, 5 into -2 -10, 3 into -3 is -9, 1 into -4 is -4. Next step is sum up all these plus at one side and all these minus at another side. So 6, 16 plus 10, 26 plus 6, 32, -9 plus -9 plus -9 minus 10, 19, -9, 28, -4, 32. So plus 32 minus 32. Next step is summation fx. Summation fx is 32 minus 32 is 0. Summation means we have to sum up all these, plus and minus 32. Plus 32 minus 32 gives us 0, and sum up all these frequencies again. N is equal to 50. Next step is to find out x square. So prepare a column for x square. X square is 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, -1 square is 1, -2 square is 4, -3 square is 9, -4 square is 16. Next column is for fx square or fd square. So multiplying this x square by f. 2 9s are 18, 8 4s are 32, 10 1s are 10, 12 zeros are 0, 9 1s are 9, 5 4s are 20, 3 9s are 27, 1 multiplied by 16 is 16. So next step is summation fx square. Find out summation fx square, and this summation fx square is equal to, summation fx square is equal to 132. 132, how it is to be obtained? 18 plus 32 plus 10 plus 0 plus 9 plus 20 plus 27 plus 16. So fx square is 132, fx is 0 and n is 50, and class interval is of 5. Using the short method, the formula for standard deviation is written as I is equal to under root summation fx square by n minus c square, or in somewhere it is found as I multiplied by summation fd square divided by n minus c square within square root. Here c is known as correction, इसको संशोधन कहते हैं, करेक्शन कहते हैं, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ c इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द फॉर्मूला summation fx by n or summation fd by n. So here summation fx is found to be 0. This is 0, so 0 upon n is 0. I is equal to class interval, which is equal to 5, and summation fx square value is 132. So using these values in equation, this we have standard deviation is equal to 5 under root 132 upon 50 minus 0 square. 132 by 50 minus 0 square means 0. So this gives us 2.64. 5 multiplied by 2.64. Again at the right side of this page I have calculated under root 2.64. So from the right hand side make a pair. 64 is one pair and 2 is single digit pair. So 1 ones are 1. Here 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 1 times it goes, and write it 1 here, subtracting 1 from 2 gives us 1. So and now write down these two digits, 6 4. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Now it goes to 6 times. So 26 multiplied by 6 is 156. This value is less than 164, so this is okay. So write here 6. Now 164 minus 156 is equal to 8. 26 plus 6 is equal to 32. Now we will try that how much times it goes for the next one. So 32 means 2 times it goes. So 2, writing 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. 322 multiplied by 2 is 644. 644. Subtracting 644 from 800 gives us 1156. And 322 plus 2 is equal to 324. Now if it is multiplied by 5, the value is more than this 15,600. So I have selected here that 5 times, but it does not allow, because this number is more than that of this number 15,600. So it goes only for 4 times, and after 4 it goes to 8 times. So I have written here 5. The value of under root 2.64 is 1.6428, and multiplying 5 into 1.6248 is 8.5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, carry over 4, 5 4s are 20, plus 4 is 24, carry over 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 31, carry over 3, 5 1s are 5, 3 8. So 8.124. Again I am getting the same answer through this short method. The third one is, again this method is called to solve the standard deviation through short method, but this time the formula is used this: I divided by n within under root summation fd square minus summation fd whole square. So summation fd square is 132, n is 50, I is 5, and summation fd I have calculated, it is 0. So 50 into 132 minus 0 square is 0. 5 upon 10, 5 upon 50, this gives us 6,600. 50 multiplied by 132. So 1 cancelling this 5 upon 50, 1 by 10 within square root 6,600. This is equal to 1 upon 10. We can write 6,600 in this way: 100 into 66. The square root of 100 is 10. So taken from outside from the square root. So 10 cancelling this 10. Only the left term is under root 66. So under root 66 right now I have calculated, and it gives us the value 8.124. So for this question I have solved this standard deviation through 3 ways. So this is all about this standard deviation. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and like the lecture. Thank you.